Available intersection automatic emergency braking can help you avoid or reduce the severity of an intersection collision with a detected cross-traffic vehicle by automatically providing alerts and hard emergency braking. If you see an option to enable or disable intersection collision braking in the settings menu, then your vehicle has this feature. When you're in a forward gear, a camera sensor looks ahead of your vehicle to monitor cross-traffic vehicles. If you're approaching a detected vehicle coming from the left or right side too quickly and may be seconds away from a potential collision, the system will flash 6 red warning dots on the windshield and alert you with high-pitched beeps. If your vehicle is equipped with available head-up display, you will see a red graphic collision alert along with 8 high-pitched front left or front right beeps, depending on which side the vehicle is detected. If your vehicle is equipped with the available Safety Alert Seat feature, you can choose to receive pulses on the left or right side of the seat instead of the high-pitched beeps. And if you don't respond quickly or the situation happens suddenly, intersection automatic emergency braking will automatically apply hard emergency braking or enhance your own hard braking. To override the system, firmly press the accelerator pedal when it's safe to do so. If the system slows your vehicle to a complete stop, you can release the brakes with your electric parking brake switch if your vehicle is equipped with the electric parking brake, or by firmly pressing the accelerator pedal when it's safe to do so. You can turn intersection emergency braking on or off in the settings menu of your center display. While this feature can be very helpful, bad weather, poor visibility, or obstructions in front of the intersection automatic emergency braking camera can affect its ability to provide alerts and emergency braking. So for the feature to work as expected, always keep the camera, which is located behind the rearview mirror, clean and free of obstructions. And even if your vehicle has this feature, you should always be attentive to cross traffic. With intersection automatic emergency braking, you can cross intersections with more confidence.